Hey everyone! Ever wondered how birds get those stunning feather colors? It's a fascinating story, and it all comes down to two main things: pigments and structure. Think of pigments like tiny paint pots inside the feathers. Melanin gives us blacks, browns and greys, while carotenoids, often from their diet, create vibrant reds, oranges and yellows. But that's not all. The way light interacts with the feathers, microscopic structure creates iridescent blues, greens and even purples. It's like a natural prism. So the next time you see a colorful bird, remember, it's a beautiful blend of chemistry and physics working together. Pretty amazing, right? Thanks for watching.